Alright, so we are on the nature loop. Following behind Tay and Wes, and Chast and Abby behind us. We've been wondering, we've seen one buffalo Talitha spotted, but we ain't seen no more until just now, and here they are. They've got the different fences everywhere. So I guess maybe they're just all staying on this side of the cattle guard. Get one of them out. Let's see this thing lead one. Look out now, honey. We're gonna park. We gotta let this other car go through. You know the old saying, stubborn as a mule.